Okay, so next one, candle lighting on the second night of Rosh Hashanah. On the second night of Rosh Hashanah, a woman recites a blessing Shehiyanu when lighting the candles. Preferably to ensure that she is not reciting bracha in vain, she should wear a new garment or have a new fruit prepared to eat during the meal. Okay. So the custom is, on both holidays, on both days of the holidays, the first days, first days is and on Sukkot actually the last days as well, right? So we say a blessing Shehiyanu. So who gave us life and allowed us to live to the season or something like that. Right, so women, so that's a good custom. The good custom is to give your wife a gift, right? So she would wear some piece of clothing, and she would say this blessing Shehiyanu, and keep in mind that it's actually on the holiday itself and on this piece of clothing. That's especially the second night. First night there is no problem whatsoever. It's on the holiday itself, but second night, so it's like a repetition. But even if you don't have a new fruit, and if you don't have a new piece of clothing, there is no problem. You can say Shehiyanu as well. Okay.